As the brushes glided across the canvas, Lila felt an electric excitement in the air. The vibrant interactions among her friends were sparking new ideas that flowed seamlessly, igniting a rhythm unlike any she had ever experienced. What if we incorporate symbols from our different cultures? She suggested, her eyes gleaming with inspiration. Amani nodded enthusiastically, her voice soaring with passion. Yes! We could use the patterns from my grandmother's fabrics. They tell stories of her heritage. The group fell into a frenzy of brainstorming, each person sharing artifacts of their personal histories, leading to rich visual elements that would enhance their mural. The air brimmed with shared laughter and joyous exclamations as they interwove their narratives, eager to see how diverse symbols would merge into a harmonious design, amplifying the mural's heart and meaning. As they gathered around the mural, Lila envisioned the array of colors reflecting their backgrounds melded into one powerful statement. Let's create a border around the mural that showcases all of our symbols, she proposed, her voice infused with excitement. Each symbol will represent the stories, traditions, and experiences we cherish, creating a unified frame for our masterpiece. The group fell silent for a moment, absorbing the significance of her idea. Amani exclaimed, "That would be a beautiful way to honor our roots while celebrating our togetherness." One by one, they eagerly contributed sketches, marking the beginning of a shared journey that would showcase their collective identity. Lila's heart swelled with gratitude. This moment marked not just an artistic endeavor, but a profound expression of their evolving bond. As they started drafting the different symbols, each brushstroke took on a life of its own. Lila marveled at how the colors intertwined, with deep blues representing cultural depth, bright yellows symbolizing joy, and rich reds reflecting strength. Each of our stories deserves to shine, she stated, bringing everyone's focus back to the canvas. Let's honor what makes us unique while also creating something that feels whole. Amani replied, "Exactly. The beauty lies in how these symbols interact with one another, weaving a tale of our shared journey." Each friend began carefully adding their components, filling the border with vibrant illustrations that represented lineage, aspirations, and the dreams they held dear. Lila felt the connection deepen as they brought forth their heritage, a testament to their individual paths merging into one collaborative masterpiece. As the sun continued to sink below the horizon, casting a warm golden glow, the group took a breath, allowing their anticipation to settle into focus. Now, let's not forget to consider how the central image will reflect all of us, Lila encouraged, her excitement palpable. It has to embody the spirit of unity we've been discussing. Amani leaned in closer, her brow furrowed thoughtfully. What if we center it around a tree? Trees symbolize growth and vitality, like our friendship. Nods of agreement resonated, each friend envisioning how the branches could extend outwards, each one representing their unique identity while intertwining with one another. "And we could fill the leaves with those cultural symbols," exclaimed another friend, eyes lighting up with creativity. Together, they began sketching out plans for the tree, a powerful metaphor for their collective journey, ready to bear witness to the beauty of their shared humanity. With renewed vigor, they began to outline the tree trunk, envisioning it as a strong foundation rising from a tapestry of roots. These roots can represent where we each come from, Lila remarked, her voice carrying warmth, intertwining in the rich soil of our experiences. Amani nodded, picturing how every twist and curve could signify a different story, a reminder of the strength found in diversity. Let's make the trunk thick and sturdy, so it carries the weight of our shared struggles and triumphs, another friend added, excitement bubbling in her tone. As they sketched, the spirit of collaboration enveloped them, reinforcing their intention to cultivate a masterpiece that spoke to the soul. Each sweeping motion of their brushes felt like a chant, amplifying the importance of belonging. They harmonized in thought, careful not to overshadow any individual story while lovingly nurturing the shared creation into existence. As they continued to work, the mural grew vibrant and alive, a reflection of not just their art, but of their unwavering bond, promising a legacy that would resonate beyond their time together. With the tree beginning to take shape, Lila felt a surge of excitement as colors filled the canvas, each hue breathing life into their vision. Now let's think about the interactions between the branches and the leaves, she proposed, her heart racing with enthusiasm. Each branch can symbolize our aspirations, while the leaves represent the dreams we nourish. Amani's eyes sparkled, and she added, and perhaps we can create a way for the leaves to blend different colors, demonstrating how our hopes interconnect. The group buzzed with energy, each suggesting methods to intertwine their ideas, fostering a dynamic dialogue as they translated their visions into an extraordinary visual language. As the branches unfurled across the canvas, a sense of harmony permeated the space, and Lila breathed in deeply, feeling the pulsating energy of their combined creativity. Together, we can fill the leaves not just with colors, but with the words that describe our dreams, she proposed, her eyes glimmering with passion. Let's write our visions inside them. Her friends exchanged excited glances, each of them embracing the prospect of inscribing their individual hopes into the mural, making it a living testament to their shared aspirations. We can use different languages too, Amani suggested, her enthusiasm igniting a collective spark. It reflects our diverse backgrounds. With each person taking turns, they read aloud their ambitions, filling the room with aspirations that resonated deeply, creating an atmosphere thick with determination and creativity. As the sun dipped further, their mural transformed into a radiant canvas of unity, bursting with color, dreams, and an undeniable sense of interconnectedness, revealing how their collaborative journey had blossomed into something magnificently profound. With the mural evolving into a vibrant representation of their dreams, Lila felt an overwhelming sense of purpose ignite within her. Let's step back for a moment, she suggested, her eyes sparkling with excitement. I want us to truly appreciate how every element we've blended captures our essence. The friends gathered, eyes widening as they took in the masterpiece, taking shape a brilliant tapestry of colors and symbols woven into a unified narrative. As they reflected on this creation, it became clear how each stroke of the brush had stitched their stories together. Friends exchanged smiles, recognizing the magic in their collective work, solidifying their bond through unity expressed in art. Lila inwardly celebrated, knowing that this mural was not just an artistic endeavor. It was a heartfelt manifestation of their intertwined lives, a celebration of their shared humanity. "Look, the way we've arranged the branches feels like a natural conversation," Lila observed, her voice filled with awe. "Each segment connects to another, just as our stories do in life." Amani beamed, her heart swelling with pride as she replied, "It truly reflects the tapestry of our experiences." As they wrapped up their mural, Lila felt a profound sense of fulfillment wash over her. The masterpiece stood as a vibrant testament to their journey together, capturing their dreams, stories, and shared humanity in an unbreakable bond. In this communal experience, they discovered not only the beauty of art but the deeper connections that would tie their hearts indefinitely.